humanitarian fundraising. Please do not take a frontal shot. Dear friends, wash my teeth, just hello. But you know, this occasion is very important. And it needs a little creativeness out of the Cajon formula, which you are so used to, Mr. Canelito and Robert Asunto. So allow me to do my bit as a senior citizen, an ex who is not yet excess, ex but not yet expired, ex but now ex-rated. In that spirit, dear friends, this is really now a humanitarian event. And so may I ask you nice people to reach out to your right and left and shake the hand of that person that you find there. Sige na, go ahead. This is what this is all about. This is not a formal gala affair, no. This is for suffering brother and sister Filipinos, as well as a message of gratitude to all our international friends who have reached out to the Filipinos who are in distress. Sige na, shake hands. Tamayan ninyo, hindi pwede yung pangiti-ngiti na kayo. You do it! Ganyan kami nung araw ng panahon namin. Walang pag-pogi-pogi. You do it! Sige na, shake hands. Like this. This is the Filipino costume, tradition, value of caring, sharing, and daring.
Wala talaga yung ipin niya.
Diba? Caring and sharing are easy enough to do because Filipinos are naturally